Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm introducing another Depin project called Kaisar Network. This project focuses on leveraging global CPU and GPU computational power to build and compute decentralized AI solutions. Kaisar has recently launched its mainnet and allows users to run nodes to earn airdrops. Let's dive into the project and analyze how to participate in its airdrop. What is Kaisar Network? Kaisar Network is a project in the Depin sector, decentralized physical infrastructure network, aiming to build decentralized computing infrastructure through blockchain technology. The project connects GPU and CPU resources globally, forming a shared computational network for AI applications. Users can share their personal computing resources to earn rewards, while businesses and AI developers can utilize this infrastructure as a cost-effective alternative to expensive cloud services. This approach reduces costs and optimizes resource utilization. Kaisar is built on the Peak blockchain, aligning with projects like Grass, NoPay, Bless, and Dawn. Its goal is to scale AI computational capabilities massively, bringing AI technology closer to communities worldwide. Key features of Kaisar Network: flexible, low-cost AI solutions. Kaisar offers a highly scalable and cost-effective computing ecosystem. This is especially vital for AI businesses requiring significant processing power to develop and deploy complex applications. By utilizing decentralized infrastructure, businesses can reduce dependency on large cloud service providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, significantly lowering operational costs. Support from Depin Basecamp Accelerator. Kaisar receives backing from Peak Network through the Depin Basecamp Accelerator program. This serves as a crucial launchpad for technological development and community expansion. With Peak support, Kaisar gains resources and opportunities to connect with strategic industry partners. Strategic partnerships with major Depin projects. Kaisar has formed strategic partnerships with prominent Depin platforms like iAgent and Huddle01. These collaborations not only strengthen Kaisar's position in the industry, but also open opportunities for applying its technology in diverse areas, from AI computation to decentralized network services. Questverse program and attractive airdrop opportunities. Kaisar has launched the Questverse program, where users can engage in activities, earn points, and collect badges in preparation for the $KI token airdrop. This strategy effectively builds community engagement and attracts new participants. With over 492.913 participants in Questverse, it has become a pivotal campaign in expanding Kaisar's community. Kaisar Network products. Currently, Kaisar Network is developing two main products: Kaisar Genesis NFT and ZeroNode, enabling users to easily participate in its decentralized ecosystem and efficiently utilize computational resources. Kaisar Genesis NFT. Kaisar Genesis NFT is an ERC-20 standard NFT collection launched in July with a total supply of 888 NFTs, fully minted by the community. These NFTs offer numerous benefits to holders. Questverse 1 rewards. NFT holders receive a 3x multiplier on points during farming activities in Questverse, along with exclusive badges representing their standing in the community. Exclusive partner airdrops. Kaisar collaborates with Depin and AI projects, offering weekly airdrops with special perks exclusively for NFT holders. Future benefits. Priority access to ZeroNode. Holders gain early access to ZeroNode, with a 2x multiplier on points earned through ZeroNode mining. Node and partner airdrops. Opportunities to receive free nodes or token airdrops from Kaisar's Depin partners. A whitelist for node sale. NFT holders are prioritized for purchasing Kaisar nodes at discounted prices. With these benefits, Kaisar Genesis NFT acts as a key to unlocking the full potential of the Kaisar network ecosystem. Kaisar ZeroNode. ZeroNode is a critical component of Kaisar Network, designed to connect the community to the decentralized network and optimize computational resources for AI applications. A resource contribution and rewards. Zero Node enables users to connect their devices, e.g., GPU, CPU, to the network to share resources. In return, users earn rewards, monetizing their existing hardware. Support for decentralized AI development. Zero Node builds a global, community-driven computational layer, allowing developers and businesses to access powerful, flexible, and cost-effective resources for AI applications. Chrome utility. Users can install the Zero Node extension to share critical information like location and uptime. This data enhances protocol transparency and system efficiency. Integration with Kaisar Node. Participating in Zero Node serves as a stepping stone for users to prepare for the launch of worker nodes, Kaisar Node, in the future. Contributing hardware to one node offers even better rewards. Guide to hunting airdrops on Zero Node. Kaisar Zero Node is currently in its initial deployment phase. Participating in running Zero Node not only helps you accumulate points, but also opens up opportunities to receive $Ki airdrops, the official token of Kaisar, in upcoming distributions. This is an attractive opportunity to leverage available resources and become part of the ecosystem right from the start. Step 1. Register for a Kaisar Zero Node account. First, visit the following link provided in the description or use the referral code POFRWH099. The referral code will grant you access to the program if you are not already on Kaisar's waitlist. Step 2. Create an account using your email. Enter your email, and after successful registration, you will need to verify your account. Check your email and click on the confirmation link. Once verified, return to the system and log in. Step 3. Install the Kaisar Zero Node browser extension. Search for Kaisar Zero Node extension on Google and install it. After installation, pin the extension to your browser. Click Start to begin earning reward points. Occasionally, you'll need to check and claim your reward points. This is required for the system to continue mining. Step 4. Set up your profile. Go to the Profile section to configure your settings. For the username field, I use Crypto Airdrop. Then click Save Changes. Switch to the Social Channel tab and link your social media accounts. Start with a social platform like X, formerly Twitter. Then check back to confirm the connection. Once done, connect your Discord account and then proceed to Google. Step 5. Earn extra reward points through missions. Complete tasks listed in the missions section to earn additional points. There are many tasks available for you to complete. You can also earn points through daily check-ins. For example, I linked my Twitter account and received 50 points. Step 6. Refer friends and participate in lucky draws. You can earn more points by referring friends to Kaisar Zero Node. The lucky draw feature allows you to exchange points for spins to win rewards. I've just guided you through the Kaisar Network project. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to give us a like and share. Sincere thanks, and see you in the next project.